Types of sewing thread used in apparel manufacturing. Linen thread. Oldest sewing thread and was used at a wide range of sewing thread during the making of garments. These types of sewing thread has high strength and slightly can make more strength on the seam. The linen sewing thread was used at a large rate for coarser fabric, canvas fabric, and so on. But now it is mostly replaced by synthetic thread. Silk thread. These types of sewing thread is made from both continuous filament and broken filament silk. Comparatively, it contains higher strength, extensive luster, and good qualities. Silk sewing thread is expensive. That's why the use of silk sewing thread is less. It is used for expensive garments. Soft cotton thread. Bleaching and dyeing have been done in these types of sewing thread, and sometimes lubricants are used to make it more frictional resistance. There is a possibility of occurring shrinkage and seam puckering after wetting in the water and wash the garments respectively. Mercerized cotton thread. These types of sewing thread is finished by a caustic soda solution with tension. As a result, the entire fibers in the thread becomes round shape and gain higher strength and brightness. Glazed cotton thread. Glazed cotton sewing thread is made by using a surface coating on the soft cotton thread. As a result, the thread becomes stiff, smooth, and increases the frictional resistance. Viscose thread. It may be made from continuous filament or staple fibers. The strength and stability is comparatively less but more brighter. It has limited use as a sewing thread but widely used in embroidery work. Polyester thread. These types of sewing thread are strong, low cost, good washing fastness, and satisfactory elastic properties. It can be washed up to 150 degrees Celsius without any shrinkage. It is widely used due to its low cost. At present, polyester sewing thread is widely used in the garments manufacturing among the synthetic fiber sewing thread. Nylon thread. Nylon sewing thread made from hexamethyl diamine and adipic acid. It has not widely used due to its high extensibility because it makes seam puckering after sewing due to shrinkage. These types of sewing thread are used sewing for knitted fabric, extensible seam, and swimming wear. Aramide thread. Aramide sewing thread are not used at a large scale because more expensive. Aramide thread are used in special case, something like firefighting garments